You want to make friends and approach strangers, but you don't know if people actually want to talk to you. So how do you figure that out? Well, first of all, the more you do it, the more obvious it's going to be. And this is really good because at some point you understand that you can just talk to someone, and if you feel that they don't want to talk to you, you can just leave and it's okay, it's fine. So you talk to them, you feel it out, they don't want to talk, you're like, all right, have a great day, you leave. Not a big deal. But how do you actually figure that out? There are some signs such as body language. If they're turning away from you, facing away from you, if they never maintain eye contact. I mean, some people are just bad at eye contact, but you know, maybe you talk to them, they answer, and then they go back to whatever it is they were doing. They're on their phone, they're writing, they're reading, whatever. Or if you ask them questions and they don't ask you any question back. Especially, the most important thing is if you ask for their name and they don't ask you back, they don't ask what your name is, it probably means they don't want to talk to you. And that's fine, you know, you'll figure it out after like 20 seconds. You can be like, okay, have a great day, it was nice to meet you, and you leave, it's fine. It might not be obvious the first few times, but the more you do it, the more obvious it becomes. And this is really good because then when they do want to talk to you, you notice that as well. And you're like, oh, great, this person is really receptive, so it's very good that I talked to them. And that's it. It's really that simple. I mean, I could go more into depth. Let me know if you're interested in a longer video about this so I can really talk about it in more detail. But basically, that's it. So remember that, because you might be afraid of, maybe they don't want to talk to me. You will eventually understand if they want to talk to you or not. And you just need to you know, do that first step.